What's going on, people? I know I've been away for a hot minute, but can we just take a minute to appreciate what is happening here? The real reason we're all here. Let's be honest. No one cares about me. We all care about her. A lot has happened. I got COVID again, apparently, so I was ill, knocked out for about a week and a half. Haven't touched a bike in a month. I just about managed to give her a clean, but as you can see, I forgot about the tires. That is due to the illness. Then, the whole of August, busy, family functions, all the rest of that jazz. But anyway, I don't know if you can tell, we've done a couple of things, not to mention, and obviously the same on the other side. I didn't want to bore you with the details, but yeah, that's happened. That's happened. I used the old muck-off pressure washer, and that looks a million times better. I went for a ride today, and now she's dirty again. So that was pointless. There's a random ass cat over there. Just chilling. We've added that bad boy back on, because I finally got my 360 back from the homie. I was gifted one of those, if you know what that is. So I'll put that bad boy on. I just wanted to give a quick little update as to why I've been MIA. Real life stuff. Illness, parties. I got the illness from the parties, and I know who gave it to me, and if he's listening, disrespectfully. Catch you on the next one. And just randomly, as I've not been uploading on YouTube, I do upload regularly on TikTok. So add me up, people.